Authorities in Argentina's Chubut province warned on Monday that a major wildfire in the Villa Lago Rivadavia area, including parts of Los Alerces National Park, has reignited at least 3 times. Firefighting efforts have been severely hampered by high temperatures and strong winds. So far, the fire has burned more than 35,000 hectares of native forest, shrubland, and plantations. Video footage shows firefighters and volunteers battling the flames amid thick smoke as conditions continue to worsen. Local resident Gabriel Repetto said powerful wind gusts made the fire impossible to contain, destroying 19 hectares of his land, most of it native forest. He praised the collective effort of firefighters and volunteers, but said the scale of the territory and the speed of the fire made control extremely difficult. Authorities reported wind gusts of up to 50 kilometers per hour, causing multiple new hotspots. Chubut Governor Ignacio Torres has called on the national government to consider removing Los Alerces National Park authorities, citing alleged negligence in managing the wildfire, which has burned for weeks.